My name is Susan Lilly, and I work for WVU Extension Service through the Family Nutrition Program. And today we are going to make Fiesta scoop dip. And what we're going to need to do that, you are going to need a 24-ounce jar of salsa. You can use whatever mild, medium, hot that your taste buds like. You're going to need a can of fat-free refried beans, and you are going to need a cup of low-fat cheese, grated cheese. And it's really easy. First of all, though, what we're going to do is we are going to wash our hands. So I'm going to come over here, wash my hands real good. Let the water get warm. And it's important that we wash our hands for at least 20 seconds before we eat or touch food, help prepare food. And I really like this recipe because I think you could use it in a lot of different ways. A lot of times when I make this recipe, I serve it to students at room temperature, and it tastes really good at room temperature. But I thought if you're going to have a family event or you just want something healthy to snack on at night when you're watching TV or hanging out with your friends, you can even heat this up and it would taste really good that way. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my jar of salsa and I'm going to pour it into my bowl. Move these. I'm going to get all of it. There we go, my salsa, and I used medium just for a little heat, little kick going there. And then I'm going to open my can of refried beans. I'm going to open those. And I got a spatula. Be careful when you take the lid off, depending on what kind of can opener you have, so we don't cut ourselves with the sharp edges. And then I just scoop the beans out and right into the salsa. So I got all my beans. I'll put that over there out of the way. And I'm just going to stir this together a little bit just so it won't be so messy when I start adding the cheese. Kind of already have this blended together. Makes it go a little good. So mixing the beans and the salsa together. Now the beans are a good source, the refried beans are a good source of protein, and it's a healthy source of protein because it comes from a plant source. You're not going to have a lot of the fat that you might have if you were using hamburger or another type of meat like that in a dip. Alright, so I have that mixed together pretty good. So, now you could buy the block of cheese and grate it, or you can buy it already shredded just for convenience. And sometimes it might depend on price too. Today when I went to the store to find things, the ingredients, several of the ingredients were cheaper if they were already shredded or prepared in some way. So I went ahead and bought the shredded cheese, and I'm going to take my measuring cup. I have a 1 cup measuring cup, and I'm going to measure out a cup of cheese. Now, you can use any kind of cheese. You just want to try to make sure it is a reduced fat cheese. So today, what I was able to find really easy was I used mozzarella cheese today. As you can see, mozzarella. So I'm going to pour that 1 cup of mozzarella cheese in. Low-fat mozzarella. And then I'm going to stir that in. Stir it in real good. And if you want the flavors to have a little bit longer to mingle, to all blend together, you can always put this in the refrigerator and let it chill for a while. Or you can just eat it right now. And what I use to eat it is just some baked tortilla chips is a good thing that you can use to do it with, to eat it with. So, and there we go. There is our dip. Now, again, you could just put a little bit of this out in a bowl in the microwave and heat it up and that cheese will melt and make it nice and gooey. Or you can eat it just like this at room temperature. We'll make sure we clean up our mess. But that is our Fiesta scoop recipe, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.